Whoa, what the fuck just happened?
こんにちは。あなたがまだここにいるな。あなたは次に来る旨知っています。それで、あなたは準備ができていますか？
Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm sorry for what you just had to watch. I'll admit my acting skills are kind of lame, but can we both agree that the effect was kind of cool? Let me know in the comment section if you like the effect. So as you already know by the teaser in the last video, by the intro, by the title, by the thumbnail, that this video is going to be about adding anime glare to your real action footage. But before we move on, let's talk about sponsor of today's video. Today's video is sponsored by, yeah, you guessed it right, No One. No One is a brand that does not exist. Good thing about No One is that you don't have to go down the description and click on a link. You don't have to use a code because there isn't any. Also, No One saves you a ton of money because you don't have to buy it, because technically it does not exist. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it is. Thanks to No One for sponsoring this video. Let's move ahead. Now moving on to the breakdown of this effect, the principle is same as what we did in Photoshop. We need to create a mask around our lenses, we need to add a white solid, we need to add a glow. The only difference is that the glasses are moving, so we need to track them. Now for this effect, we are going to use 2D tracking because we only need to add a white solid and a glow. And the viewer won't be able to tell a difference if the perspective of a white solid is changing or not. Now step 1 again is that you record a video wearing glasses of course, and you say some stupid shit. By the way, the video I made, I didn't say something stupid. It was real Japanese. I spent a whole day learning those Japanese words and their pronunciation, but I ended up reading it from a piece of paper because I just couldn't learn it. Now a really great tip at this point is that you record your video at a higher shutter speed or a lower shutter angle, because this will give you a sharper video. Now what I did is that I forgot that I was going to add VFX to this footage, so I shot this footage at a shutter angle of 160 degrees, which gave a lot of motion blur. Now motion blur does exactly what it sounds like. It adds blur to your motion and makes the video a little harder to track. Now that you have your video, import your video into After Effects composition. Now split your footage into the parts where you need to add the VFX and where you don't. Now click on the layer that you need to add the VFX on, press enter and rename it VFX base. Now right click on this layer and click on pre-compose and then click on move all attributes. This will create a pre-compose layer. Now double click on the pre-compose layer. This will take you to a new tab where you will only see the layer that you need to add VFX on. Select the VFX base layer, press Ctrl D, press enter and rename it to track layer. Now select the track layer, go to animation and then select track in Mocha AE. Now don't worry, Mocha is a plugin that comes free with every After Effects copy. Now select the layer, go to the effects control panel and you'll see the Mocha effect there. Click on the Mocha logo to open the Mocha window. Now you'll see this interface. This is the Mocha plugin where you can 2D track your footage really easily. Now press X to get your selection tool and seek to the beginning of the clip. Now click over here and select the B-spline tool. This will allow you to make a mask around your lens. Now create a precise enough outline around one of your lenses and then click on this track forward button. Now you'll see the software do its work and it will track your lens throughout the footage. Now as soon as you see the software making a mistake while tracking, pause the process, move the tracking point manually to the desired location and resume tracking again. Keep on manually correcting the mistake whenever the software makes it and you're good to go. Now that your lens is tracked for the whole footage, press Ctrl S. Now I don't know if that is compulsory, but I don't want to take any chances. Now close the window, go into the effects control panel, you'll see this option that says show mask. As soon as you check this box, you'll see a white solid around your lens. Now what you have to do is click on create AE mask. This will add a self keyframe mask around your lens in the track footage. Now the next step is that you right click, create a new solid, choose the color white or whatever color that you desire and click on OK. Now go back to the track layer, press M, you'll see the mask that we just created. Click on the mask, press Ctrl C, go back to the white solid that we just created and press Ctrl V. Now this will copy the same mask from the track layer to the white solid. And there you go, you have a white solid perfectly tracked to your lens. Now what you have to do is repeat the same process for the other lens. Now you could have done both the lenses at once, but maybe you should start learning one at a time. Now after you'll have done the same process for the other lens, you'll have two white solids with masks around the lenses. Now select the both solids, right click and click on pre-compose. Now click on move all attributes. Now this will group both your lenses in one layer. Now you need to add your glow effects above the pre-compose layer. Now what I use for the glow effect is a deep glow plugin You can also use the Red Giant Universe's Glow plugin. Now the thing is, both these plugins are paid. Now if you don't want to pay for these plugins, what you can do is use the free plugin that's available in After Effects. There is a way that you can use the free Glow plugin available in After Effects to look like deep glow. But that's another video. If you want me to make that video, let me know in the comment section below. And there you go. We finished the basic VFX on this clip. All you need to do now is add some movie magic and sound design the fuck out of the sequence, and boom, there you go. It's finished. Now if you learned something new from this video, or maybe you liked the bit I just did, press that like button. And if you're new to this channel, press that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.